When I came in this community, there were no food. And even right now, there is that problem. So when the WORLDVEG came up with this project, it has changed my life.
The goal of the project that we are pushing towards just to try and enhance the production and marketing of vegetables, especially traditional African vegetables. Is to try and change the livelihoods of the women and youth of this community.
After this project, I'm able to plow my farm, look for seeds, plant them. I'll go through all the process. So I'm an independent woman. It is helping us getting the breakfast and also getting money from it. At the same time, it is controlling our soil. So there is soil protection there. So everything about it is good.
Mzuri sana hii. Kwanza ukipika ni soft sana.
It has invented some jobs for the local. Ladies comes here and work here and they earn their daily food.
Tangu mradi yanze, ninaona niko sawa. Siombaombi, sikopi. Kwa hivyo nina furaha sana.
It's really an inspiration that when people come together for a common cause, they can really work towards that cause and achieve that cause in no time. I've really learned a lot from the women of this group, how they are working together, how they are facing the challenges together, and how they are really, really inspiring each other. So this is good going forward. This is really, really nice.